It was just a few months ago that I visited Great Wolf Lodge in Williamsburg, Virginia with my sister-in-law and some friends to celebrate a birthday. I did a video about that stay, but I feel like I didn't do a great job of filming everything the resort has to offer because I was more focused on spending time with friends on that trip. So when my sister-in-law suggested we go back to Great Wolf Lodge to spend a couple relaxing nights getting away from it all, I was excited to return. In this video, we will give you a tour of the room I stayed in, as well as discuss the various activities and amenities available. And during this stay, my sister-in-law and I tried all the dining options on property, which is something we did not do on our last trip. I will share a review of all those options as well. The front desk is housed in this log cabin structure in the main lobby. Check-in time starts at 4 p.m. This main lobby area is the location used for Great Wolf Lodge character meet and greets, such as this one with Oliver Raccoon, as well as for story times and arts and crafts activities, and for the nightly dance party, as well as morning family yoga. All of these activities are included in the cost of staying at the lodge. Now, so that I don't have to talk through this entire video, I have recruited Jack to narrate the room tour.
On this trip, Alice stayed in a luxury king suite. On her last visit, she stayed with friends in a family fireplace suite. We'll have a link to that previous Great Wolf Lodge video in the description below in case you want to see what that room was like. This room was on the first floor. It was a long walk from the main lobby. You can park down near your rooms. There are external doors along the way, but all buildings are connected by an interior hallway as well. This particular room was near the resort's meeting and event space. In Alice's room now, just inside the entrance, we see a doorless closet area with extra linens and some hanging space. Next to that, out in the room, is a countertop with the room's sink, hairdryer, and mirror. We turn and go to the head. It has a toilet and a shower bathtub combo. The shower has body wash and shampoo pumps on the wall. Here you see the king bed with plenty of pillows and some outdoorsy rustic artwork hanging above. There's a nightstand on both sides of the bed, which have a phone, an alarm clock, and charging ports for your devices. Across from the foot of the bed, the room has another countertop with an ice bucket, a single-serving coffee maker, and a microwave. The room's refrigerator was stowed under that countertop. The room has a flat panel TV on the dresser. There's a small table with a couple of chairs where people can sit and eat. And looking outside now, this room has a patio because it is on the first floor. Rooms on the second, third, and fourth floor have a balcony instead. Even though this is a king bedroom, it can sleep up to 4 because there is a full-size sofa bed in the room. Apparently, Alice enjoyed watching the Great Wolf Lodge characters on her TV, which no doubt makes seeing Oliver Raccoon in person in the lobby, along with the other characters, even more exciting.
The Great Wolf Lodge chain of family resorts is best known for their indoor water parks, but there are a lot of other things that families can do together here. There is the arcade, which is open 24 hours a day with a large selection of video games, as well as our personal favorites, air hockey and skee ball. There is Oliver's Mining Company, where your family can sift through a bag in the mining sluice to find gemstones. A 3-pound bag is $12.99. They have 10-paw bowling with shorter lanes and smaller balls to make bowling easier for the kids. No bowling shoes are required. A game is $7 per person. We did this and it was a lot of fun. They also have a small laser tag arena. Laser tag costs $8 per game. Another popular attraction for kids is MagiQuest. You will need to purchase a wand, which can be used in this live-action game that has stations throughout the resort where the wand will interact with the screens to move the quest forward. The wands start at $19.99 each. You will then have to pay for each game at $16.99. The wand will remember any completed quests, so your kiddo can pick up where they left off on their next Great Wolf Lodge visit. All of these activities involve extra fees, though the resort does offer attraction passes where you can save money by bundling together the activities that your family is interested in.
The most popular attraction here is included in your room rate. Water park passes are included for each person in your party for each day of your stay, including the day you arrive and the day you leave. Even if you arrive before check-in time, you can leave your luggage locked up in your car, go to the front desk, and get your water park passes and go enjoy the water park. You can do the same in reverse on the day of your departure. You have to check out of your room by 11 a.m., but you can go lock your luggage in your car except for maybe a small bag of whatever you need for the water park visit. And you can still use the water park all day long until it closes after checking out of your room by 11 a.m. The park closed at 8 p.m. during our stay, though that closing time does vary a bit throughout the year. This is a fun water park with a wave pool, a lazy river, 5 medium to large water slides, a play area, a flow rider, and, importantly, an adults-only hot tub. You can rent lockers if you need them, or if you want a private area for your family to relax, you can rent a cabana for the day as well. In the summer months, there is also an outdoor pool that you can enjoy.
Okay, so on the most recent visit, I got a chance to try all of the dining options at Great Wolf Lodge. Let's start with breakfast. First, there is a Dunkin' Donuts in the lobby. I got coffee and some munchkins one morning. It is a chain. You probably already know if you're a fan of their food. I'm more of a Krispy Kreme girl, but the coffee was great. Loose Moose is an all-you-care-to-eat buffet that is open for breakfast and dinner. First, I went there for breakfast, which offered a variety of fresh fruit, and usual American breakfast staples, including bacon, sausage, biscuits, hash browns, and eggs. They have omelets made to order, as well as some popular cereals to choose from. The theming in Loose Moose continues the rustic log cabin theming seen around the resort. I got some French toast, eggs, bacon, breakfast potatoes. Breakfast is $19.99 for adults and $9.99 for kids. This breakfast was just a notch above the free breakfast offered at many value hotels. It wasn't bad, but it was just okay. We ordered pizza one night of our stay from Hungry as a Wolf. We got a pepperoni pizza for $21.99. This was alright. It was about what you would expect from theme park pizza. If you have a large, hungry family, this might be your cheapest option for feeding them all. You can also find pasta and salads in addition to pizza here. same space as Hungry as a Wolf, you will also find Fresh Foods Market, which is where you can find soda, water, adult beverages, and various types of prepackaged snacks. Inside the water park is Grizzly Rob's Bar. I ordered a drink off their spring breakout menu. It was the Orange Berry Vodka Crush, featuring Tito's vodka, orange juice, strawberry puree, and lemon for $16. So these are theme park prices for the drinks. This was a nice, refreshing spring drink. Also in the water park is Buckets, the water park's quick service food options. They have kiosks that you can order on. I ordered a crispy fried chicken sandwich with fries for $15.99. This food is not great. This is the type of food you can easily buy in the frozen section of your grocery store, much less expensively. The good news is that the burgers, chicken tenders, and chicken sandwiches sold here are the kind of food kids like, so you should have a pretty easy time finding something most kids will eat. My sister-in-law and I tried the Loose Moose dinner buffet on our second night here. This was my favorite meal of all the food I tried. This buffet is $24.99 for adults and $9.99 for kids. The buffet had carved meats, they had ribs, meatballs, chicken nuggets, salads, various sides, some healthy and some not. If you want to save money, there are several fast food places within a 5-minute drive. And with a mini refrigerator and a microwave, you can easily bring your own sandwiches, salads, or microwavable food with you from the grocery store to save even more money, which is what we did on our trip with friends last year. However, many people who can afford to eat at the restaurants here will find the food to be adequate, if a bit overpriced. But that dinner at Loose Moose was actually really good. That is the only one I would definitely recommend. But all these places have some good kid-friendly options for the picky eaters in your traveling party. As we wrap up our discussion, here's a look at the shopping options at Great Wolf Lodge, which includes Build-A-Bear as well as a traditional resort souvenir shop. I really enjoyed Great Wolf Lodge. Your kids will love it, and you'll be near Colonial Williamsburg and Busch Gardens. This has gotten me really excited about one of Great Wolf Lodge's competitors, Kalahari, as they are building an even larger indoor water park resort in Virginia up near Washington, D.C., which will open in 2026. So we'll have to check that out too. I'm Alice.
And I'm Jack.
Be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so we can see you the next time we're traveling through.